Hey guys, Tech Master 00 here. Um, Today is part 9 of my how to build a computer category, and we're going to be talking about computer cases, or like everything that holds your computer, the big box thing. Yeah. Um, if you're watching like to build a Mac, um, don't watch any of these tutorials apparently, because Mac has nothing to do with any of the stuff that I'm talking about. But yeah, um, don't say anything in comments about this because this is an insanely old monitor or insanely old case. It looks really crappy, um, but that's what I found. So yeah. Okay, computer cases. They hold all your stuff. Motherboard, hard drives, everything. Um, they come in a bunch of different styles. There's really old, bland, crappy ones like this. There's nice ones that are like transparent. They have like USB ports on the front, audio ports. Some of them, like even the one that mine has, you can't see it, but it has card readers. Like mini SD has a USB in there. Uh, Micro smart card, whatever that is. But yeah. If it has stuff like that, like this one, make sure I see what I'm showing you guys. Like this one, it has a flap on the bottom and USB thing was there, but I took it out. And this case has, I can't get in there. It has two optical drive ports, and one 3.5 optical drive port. I'll show you that soon. Power button, blah blah blah. Up top we got a CD holder. Um, so yeah, all cases will have a spot up here for optical drives. They have a spot. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's right here. It's for like video cards and stuff. Um, yeah, usually I took it out, but all cases nowadays come with hard drive holders. And yeah, like they'll usually be on the side over here. And you just put your hard drive in it, and it secures it or whatever. Blah blah blah. All cases have wires that it comes with. Like this is for the power button and stuff. I think it's only for the power button. Yeah, that's all it does. But you hook it into your motherboard and crap. Okay, that wasn't supposed to happen. But yeah. There's a bunch of different ones. I would suggest going with a RAID Max case. They're the best. They're really efficient and they don't really break and they don't have sharp edges. But I'm just looking at a couple cases right now. I'm sorry I can't show you my screen because I'm rendering my other last one that I just did, the hard drive one. But yeah, okay, so manufacturer, RAID Max. I'll post a link to this spot. It's newegg.com. Um, this wants to load. Um, okay, so I'm not even gonna look at that right now, but there are many different types of cases. There's old bland ones. There's actually fully transparent ones where you just see everything that's inside. I don't recommend them because they're usually plastic or plexiglass, which sucks. Um, so I would recommend getting this is my opinion, a full all black case with a side panel. Um, all cases mandatory need to have um, 2 fans at least. Otherwise, everything in your computer is just gonna crap out and overheat. Um, I like cases that it has a tube leading to your processor, and it like it extracts heat, and it has a thermometer built into the case, and it shows a little screen on the front, and it says like 120 degrees Fahrenheit or whatever. Um, so yeah, you don't have to get that. That's just what I like. Side panels is just plexiglass. Like it's just um, like right here would be cut out in a square, and it'd be just plexiglass over it. And you see a bunch of stuff inside. That's where like the LED fans and stuff come in. They look really cool. So yeah. Okay. According to your motherboard size, ATX, ITX, mini ATX, all that stuff. Cases will usually say mini ATX case or mid tower ATX. Since I recommended you guys mid or an ATX motherboard ATX, I recommend getting the mid ATX cases. This down here is a mini ATX, which is stupid. But okay, so computer cases come in two types. There's ATX, actually there's a lot more than that, but that's RAID Max. Okay, I'm really tired right now, so that's why I'm looking on here. There's a lot of different types actually. There's full tower or full ATX towers. That's the big, huge ones. They're like this big, and they're really only used for servers. An ATX mid tower is what I recommend. They're like the regular size ones that if you buy a computer in stores, that's what they come in. There's mini ATX towers. That's just a small hard drive. They're like, I think they're like this big. They're really small. Micro ATX tower. They're small. Mini ITX slim tower. They're about this big and that tall. That tall, that big. Sorry. And sorry, gotta chuckle. And people usually just set their monitors on top. The mini ITX slim, they're for the mini ITX motherboards that's like that big. So yeah, I recommend mid towers. Again, you can get full. You're just wasting your money. They're for building servers and stuff. That's not really it. I already said RAID Max. Case material, always go with aluminum or steel. Or just steel. Power supplies, if you buy them off a Newegg, and most cases nowadays, if you just buy the case, they come with a power supply, but I don't like buying them like with the power supply already in them, because like if like how can I put this? Like if you're buying a processor that's 200 watts and a video card that's 800 watts, and your built-in power supply is only 800 watts, that's not enough. So don't buy power supplies with the case. It doesn't waste you any money. They just, like if you're on Newegg, it's a combo deal, so it just adds an extra thing to it. Side panel, I say yes because I like seeing inside. If that's your opinion. External 5.25 bays. That is this guy right here. It's your CD optical drive, and I'll talk about that in my next tutorial. I recommend getting 4. Nowadays it comes with 4, and nowadays motherboards can hold up to like 8, something like that. Sorry if you heard my brother. 5.5 bay drives. I recommend getting 2. They're the small ones like floppy disk drives and stuff. You don't need to get them, but you can. Internal 5.5 drives. That's the stuff that I was talking about, like over here. It holds your hard drive. Get at least like 2 or 3 or 4 of them, because that's like if you're gonna be having a lot of hard drives and stuff. Front ports. As I said, this had a USB in it, but there's also audio and microphone stuff ports. Yeah. My computer that I have, it came with ones up here, as I already said, it's the card readers. 80mm fan, get one of them, and this is not an opinion, I'm saying get this for the best efficiency of a computer. 80mm fan, get one of them. Usually there's a spot like right on the side, right here, like as you can see, there's holes to put it in. One 80mm fan, and one 120mm. You can get a 250, but then you only need one of them because they're like that big. But yeah, get a side air duct, and you can get the expansion slots, but that's just stuff that like slides out. It's really not worth it. But yeah, Raid Max, always go with them. This has been my tutorial on cases. Any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to do so. Techmaster 00. Hey guys, Nick Ricky here. I just wanted to tell you guys to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Techmaster 00, just so you get all of the updates when I post a new tutorial or video. And please watch them in high definition so you get the greatest experience out of them. Thanks. See you later.